Miri Regev, the Transportation Minister of Israel, verified on a Saturday that Israel had launched a counterattack on Iran. This was in response to an unprecedented assault involving missiles and drones that occurred on April 14. This marks the first time an official confirmation of the retaliatory attack has been made by Israel. In an interview with the right-leaning Israeli Channel 14, she stated, "We retaliated." She further added, "Iran got the message, and the whole world watching understands that the state of Israel is capable." When questioned about the potential for a ground invasion into Rafah, Regev, who previously served as a spokesperson for the Israel Defense Forces IDF, informed Channel 14, "We dallied with Rafah. The IDF was in Khan Yunis, and then they went into Iran. Thank God for Israeli technology and our decisions, we were able to intercept the launches fired from Iran toward Israel. We retaliated, and Iran got the message." Regev is the first Israeli official to publicly confirm the Israeli attack on Iran. This follows posts on social media by National Security Minister Itamar Ben-Gvir after the attack, and statements by MK Tali Gottlieb, who said, "Our head is raised in pride. Israel is a strong and powerful country." This suggests a sense of national pride and confidence in Israel's military capabilities and strategic decisions. Israel officially confirms retaliatory attack on Iran, a first in history. In a groundbreaking revelation, Israel's Transportation Minister Miri Regev confirms Israel's retaliatory attack on Iran. She was formerly a spokesperson for the Ministry of Defense and Israeli Defense Forces.